Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today we are working on this bean to coffee machine, which is a Krups. I don't know if you can see it, Quattro Force, but the series it's E8 8000 or E8 8100. In this case it's E881. But anyway, there are several variants of this machine, and today we are working on this one without the display here. The problem with this one is that even though the water is getting out of the tank, so the water is going into the machine, we don't have any water on this nozzle or this nozzle. So all the water comes in the tray here. And for this, I think already I know what's the problem, but let's disassemble this and see what we will find. Let's go. So hopefully you can see everything I'm doing here. As I said, no water is coming on the nozzles here. All the water is coming into this tray here. So no error code on the LEDs in front. So it's like it works, but doesn't do anything. So we will need to remove all the accessories here. Put them aside. I tried already descaling the machine. Was not this problem. So we have to remove this part here, and we need star head screwdriver. Thank God we have this in hand. First of all, remove the main. Good. And this would be, let's see, Torx 11 or it's T15. T15. First of all, remove this plate here. And then we have access here. So I already see a lot of coffee here and stuff. Sorry, I don't have a wider camera, but yeah, that's it. Let's remove the coffee dispenser here. Here are two screws. One here and one here. You also have to remove the selector knob. This is simple, just pry it up and it will get out. Let's put it aside. Don't lose this O-ring. Good. We still have two screws, one here and one here. They are the same screws. Actually, the entire machine has the same screws, T15 Torx. And basically now we can remove the front or the upper panel of the unit, and we should have access up here. Seems this machine was not opened until now. That's a good thing. Ah, sorry, forgot, we still have a screw here. Oh my god. For this we will need a different screwdriver because this one is short. cannot reach there. Where is it? Here it is. What's going on here? Ah, that's it. Good. We didn't broke anything. That's good. Okay. Good. Now, let's see what's going on. Let's put it to the main and let's see how it works. And see what it does, what it doesn't do. So we connect some water, power up the machine. Let's put the tray back. All right. And let's put a cup or something in case water decides actually to come out. But let's see. So the mechanism is working. The piston is going down. Okay. So it says we don't have water, enough water. Let's put additional water. Okay. So we have a little bit of water here, but nothing pushes the water inside the piston here, and this is really strange. Because initially I thought the piston is the problem, it's clogged or something, but I don't think now that this is the problem. But anyway, let's see. Let's remove the piston and clean it and try again. Okay, so for this, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Here's the piston. We have only one screw here. Let's unscrew this one. This can be removed from here, hopefully, like this. We will clean it afterwards. And with this sliding motion, we can remove this. We will change also the O-rings here. So as far as I can see here, this is This is not even wet, so it's clear that water is not coming in this chamber here. But nevertheless, let's clean this one. Let's put it aside. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. First, move this long screw in the middle. Let's remove also this. Actually, it's not that dirty. Okay. So I'm putting it to the light, and all the holes are cleaned. So no problem here as far as I can see. Let's see if we can remove this. No, actually everything is clean. This is not the problem, but since we are here, let's also clean it. With a little bit of cloth. All right. This is some alcohol. Good. So the O-rings look okay. I can change them, but for the time being, I think we can still use them. No problem. We will just remove the old coffee from them. Actually, the unit doesn't look so used. Seems that at some point it got faulty, and the owner didn't use this anymore. Look, it's cleaned already. All right, let's put it back. Everything back together. We have to put some lubricant. This is some oil-based lubricant. So it's how is it called? Food grade lubricant. It will ease then to go freely like this. Good. Then let's put this back together, and this one here. Like this. Hear the click. So I think we will need to fully disassemble the unit, because the problem is it's in completely another place, so not the one that I considered initially. So it seems for the water to come here, the water has to reach a different place down here, and also the water comes directly to this steam nozzle here, and we don't receive any water on the steam nozzle. Actually, let's test and see. So the water is coming to the steam nozzle directly from the heater element, and I know the pump is working because the water it's getting out of the water tank, but no water is coming even here. So this is a little bit strange. Okay, so we have an error that, okay, so let's try and put some steam. Let's hope it works without the piston here. Otherwise I will be full of water here. So you see, no. Oh, actually it works. Okay, so then, very, very interesting. Let's stop this. Then let me completely remove the housing and then come back to you. Okay guys, so we managed to remove the side cover. Actually, it's really simple. I will explain. It's easier said than done, but bear with me. You have to remove the side panels, two side panels, and you will have one screw here, one here, one here, and one here. Then two screws underneath, right here and right here. Then you can remove the panels. And back here, there is one here and one here. And then the entire panel can be removed like that. So this is it. Good. So let's see what we know until now. We know that the water is coming out of the water tank. The pump is working because the water is going down. Then the water is coming through this hose here. Hopefully you can see this hose here, which comes right here and comes here and here, and from here actually no, into the heater element. It's really hard to explain in the heater element, and from the heater element directly to the steam nozzle here. So we know this works. The problem is that we have another hose from here. So this is the splitter here. The splitter goes directly into the heater element, and this heater element then rises the water, the boiling water, into that chamber there. And we know already that we don't have any water into that chamber there. Let's try. I already put this this back just to test it. Didn't test it until now. Let's see if we will have water inside. Maybe only the machine needed a little bit of descaling, which I did already several times. But in case no water is coming here, then we have to strip the entire machine. And basically we need to get to the water element here, unscrew it from the other side, and remove the entire brewing mechanism, let's call it like that, and clean it and see what's going on. So this, hopefully it's not this fault. Hopefully it's only some descaling, because initially even this didn't work. So I was a little bit surprised that this works. Now let's test also this. Okay, so let's put the water tank only enough to test it. First of all, let's connect it to the main. Okay. Now it's really dangerous working with water and with mains. Good. Okay. And where's the cup? Let's take the cup and put it here. Power on the machine. We need to put here the chamber. This part, it detects it doesn't, it's not here. So at least this is okay. And then water. So we should be fine now for the moment. Hopefully we can put both of them. And let's try. Okay, the mechanism is going down. So yeah, clearly no water coming through this. Bummer. Okay, come on. So I see already that inside here there was no water. It's clearly that it's only dried coffee. So, and it shouldn't not be like that. Before stripping everything, I will try to descale from this side. Let's see if we will be successful. Let's remove from the... So this is not the orthodox way. It's just my way of trying different stuff. What I will do is actually introducing some vinegar directly into the chamber there. Let me see how I can put that there. Not spilling vinegar all over the place. I don't know how to do it. Okay. Okay, I will let it sit for a moment. I already hear some that it's going through here. I will let it sit for a moment and then test it again. Okay, so I think it's been sitting for 15 minutes now. I think we can test it. Let's put the water tank, first of all, connect it to the main, and then connect the water tank. Put this here. Hopefully you can see. Finger crossed it works. Actually, I did exactly what the manufacturer said. So in case you are making a descaling, you have here this part. Let me show you exactly. So you have this part right here, sitting here, for example. And the manufacturer said, when you need to descale, just put a solution peel, descaling solution peel, exactly in this hole here. Actually, this hole has this ramp. It introduces exactly in that chamber there. So by doing what I did, I put some vinegar there, let it simmer all the gunk, all the lime scale, everything down into this tray here, and basically this is the process. You, of course, you can disassemble everything and clean it thoroughly, but nevertheless, let's use shortcuts and see if it works. If not, doesn't cost me anything to do it anyway, you know. Okay, so we have everything. Let's power up the unit. Okay, we have a steady light, and let's heat the water. Finger crossed. The mechanism is going down. Okay. No, nothing. Heating again. What's going on? Maybe I didn't let it enough to sit. Ah, bummer. I really hoped it worked. But where is this water going? So we have this almost full. Look at it. Wow, 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 wow. And this is actually cold. Okay. I think we will need to disassemble the entire machine, fortunately. Let's do so. So this is how it looks like now. I know it's a mess. It's a mess. But let me tell you what I've done. So removed all the elements all around, and then here in this chamber, remove the 4 screws that keeps the. So first of all, this part which comes here up, strip all the cables and put it aside. Remove the grinder, put it aside. Then here, this is the brewing mechanism. Remove 3 screws, one here, and one here, and then you can flip the entire mechanism altogether. Remove the axle with this brewing part, clean it, and this is the other side, the other part. Clean it, and I will put it back. And also here, you see how much residue it's inside. I will also have to clean. What I've noticed is this is a newer model and has this overflow. I don't know, hose. What's this? And actually, the water that comes out, it's not hot. It's cold, and this is the water is coming from this hose. So I have to investigate further where this hose is going. Looks like here, and see what's actually going on. Why I don't have water through here? So basically I have water through here, but water is not coming through here. So this hose here. Okay, let me go further. I don't want to make this video really long, but I will tell you exactly what I did. So guys, I'm back. Put everything together. So what I did, let me tell you, I removed the axle here and cleaned everything inside. Put some vinegar inside the heating element, and then put everything back together. And now, as you can see, we have some water here, but let me show you that it finally works. So basically, this was the problem. The heater element threw the way of making the coffee. So not only the steam, the heater element was actually full of lime scale. And what I did actually force some vinegar or descaling solution inside the heater element, just beneath that plate. You see that whole plate there, and then put everything back together. So sorry for not putting a detailed step-by-step video on how to do this, but it took me a lot of time, and I made a lot of disassembling off camera. So hope you enjoyed this video, you learned something. It's not always that we make full videos from a full in place unit until disassemble and put it back together. The idea is to find the culprit, and we found the issue and we resolved it. So hope you enjoyed this, you learned something. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.